Hey, what's going on? Welcome to more NFT education. And bro, we have a lot to get to, as it seems like the crypto market, the NFT market is just crashing, bro. We're gonna get into exactly what's happening, and I'm gonna go over some things that you need to do as an investor right now. And we're gonna cover an NFT trading platform, so make sure you stick around to the end. As you know, like always, my information mostly comes from seedphrase.io, right? And I'm gonna have a link to where you can find them below. They email you all these kind of stories, all this information, and it's created by some really knowledgeable people within the NFT space. So once again, I'll have a link to the description below, but we're gonna go ahead and cover something, right? We're gonna cover this article. Bitcoin reaches 20K. What can we expect, right? Trading above the 20K, the bears are threatening to break the flagship pattern, leading to even further price decreases and liquidation of major studios. Is this normal? In the 2018 crash, if you didn't know, there was a crypto crash in 2018, right? Ethereum went down to as low as 120 per coin, losing over 90% of its value in just a few weeks, right? Ethereum then railed to over 4,300 per coin in May of 2021 when it was lit. And so 2 years into a bear market to see 3,483% returns, right? Sounds worth it if you ask me. So basically it's a glass half full, half empty situation. The clear view is that crypto's dying because of the price action. Alternatively, we can see that this is a good buying opportunity, right? That's what I mostly want to talk to you about. Right now is the time to buy. I've seen a lot of people kind of say, you know, this is why I kind of steered clear of crypto, because you know it can crash at any moment. And it's honestly just like the stock market. That's possible too. However, one thing you have to know, bro, is that it's coming back. Like, there was a crash similar to this, just like this in 2018, and then boom, 2-3 years later, a lot of those people doubled their money, right? So that's something you got to kind of look at. Now, I want to talk about a new NFT marketplace called Heritiy Universe. I came across this platform where you can kind of create, explore, and collect NFTs. And that's simply because I'm always looking for, right now, because it's so early, you should always kind of be looking for a platform, a new platform outside of OpenSea. OpenSea is of course the standard and everything like that, but what stood out to me about this project, about them is it's a multi-chain NFT platform. It's one of the few legal crypto projects from Europe that was able to launch 2 products before. Their roadmap, you know, their project has over 25 docs team members. They have Heritiy.io, which is their website, Heritiyc.io, which is the first seed platform with a full KYC and purchasing flow integrated on the blockchain. And then they have stake.heritiy.io, which is their staking platform. And in Q2, they will also make available for any BSC, Ethereum, Polymatic to stake their tokens with a very small fee, right? So this actually just launched on the 15th of June, will be cross-chain, meaning the smart chain phase, Ethereum and Polygon, right? Then phase 2, Elrond and Solana. Its uniqueness is to aim and solve the most important problems of the current NFT marketplaces, right? All right, so I want to look over their website for a little bit. All right, so what do they plan to do? They're building an environment for seed investments, NFT marketplace based on the blockchain technology to give it back some of the profits to charity. What utility will it have, right? The Heritage Network token utility will be a game changer. Their vision, values, and crypto business model and charity sharing make them different from other crypto projects, which leads them to their project motto. Heritiy Network wants to help the little guy, right? So they kind of break down how you can use the tokens here. What's cool is that they actually show you how they're going to distribute the tokens out. They kind of give you an overview of the roadmap, developing, project gathering, site development, company foundation, token sale, pancake swap, seed investment platform. I also like to see them checking off things here, right? That's always a good sign for me. So you know, fundraising, auctions, NFT platform, just all types of things like that. And once again, they're showing their faces here. This is a legal, fully doxed team, so this is definitely something that I wanted to kind of just share with the audience today. Now, one thing I seen on Seed Phrase that kind of caught my attention that I wanted to share with you as well is they talked about, as we mentioned, we asked profitable traders on the biggest mistakes they've made in their careers, and here's all that knowledge condensed into a few sentences, right? No plan. This is where it all begins. You need to know what you're investing in, Write your entry when you want to sell, how much you can afford to lose from this trade. Not doing so will just be gambling, right? Hoping for the best. Right, then number 2, trying time to the market, right? Every new investor quickly learns that no one can predict how the market moves. Studies have shown time and time again that DCA, which means dollar cost averaging, beats timing and BTD strategy, right? Then unbalanced asset allocation, right? Most of the times we end up with an extremely tech heavy portfolio, as this is where many of the hype cryptos sit, right? This leaves you exposed to the volatility of that particular market. Aim to balance your portfolio across several market sectors so you are less vulnerable to sector crashes. A lack of patience. I tell everybody all the time, crypto is not something to get in and out of real quick, right? Successful long-term investing is 1% buying crypto and 99% holding them and doing nothing regardless of the price action. The more you mess with the portfolio, the worse your returns will be. So concentrate less on price action and more on the underlying fundamentals. And then number 5, the lack of discipline. If you don't have discipline, you'll never be able to follow through with your trading plans and will be acting solely on emotion. Do you do anything? Do you do any of these? It's okay. Just improve and move forward. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comments, man. I love y'all, Rico gang. Let's get it. We out.